everyone, today I'll be showing you how to install a Windows 10 using Oracle VirtualBox. First of all, if you do not have Oracle VirtualBox, I have a link to where you can get it very quickly. So my link will be in the description box down below. So you just copy and paste in, and here it is, VirtualBox. I have a Windows, so I downloaded the Windows host option. So for our Windows 10, I have another link where I got mine. I got mine at TechWorm. So when you scroll down, you'll see a whole bunch of different Windows versions. But for this video, I selected the 64-bit. Now this is a pretty large file, so you need a lot of space. So we click the new button. So this should come up. This is where you're going to fill out all your information. So we're going to name ours. So we're going to name ours Windows 10. The folder is where it is going to be saved. The iOS image is what you just downloaded. Without the iOS image, it would not work at all. So you press the drop down box and you press Other. Here is mine's Win 10 Pro, so you're going to open it. And we press Next. This is just your user info, so your username, your password. So you can change your username if you want, but I would leave mine as VBox user, and my password I will leave it as change me. So just take out a little space here and press Next. This is our base memory. I am leaving mine as it is, same as for the CPU. So we have to create a virtual hard disk because we don't have any existing ones. So we're leaving this as create a virtual hard disk now. Next, you're basically finished. So when you press the finish button, here is your application. So now our Windows 10 is installed. We are going to run it. So I have mine paused, so do not unpause it. So our Windows is now going to be running. So this is a very long process, So all you have to do is just be patient and wait. It is all worth it in the end.
6 hours later. Many hours later. 1 shift later.
So the Windows would need to restart. So we now have our Windows 10 installed. You see it is signing us in right now. So we finally have our Windows 10 installed after that extremely long process. So here's our Windows 10, our applications, our files. If you press on the Windows icon, if you don't see it, or if you don't have yours in full screen, you could just press the Windows on your keyboard instead. It will still come up. So we have all of our applications. We have the calculator. So it looks like we need to be installed, but our calculator, everything works. Looks like we have some internet. So we have internet. So that's a good thing. So we have our Windows 10 installed. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and I hope to see you at the next one.